Hi, good morning. Good morning. Morning, Wiener.
And then we're going to be pulling on a field drum.
Yak, yak, yak.
That's all he does.
Good morning. I mostly only bring my laptop because I don't want it to get hot in the pickup.
Somebody call the wind maker. We need to get this dust out of here.
Okay, so today we only lack about 140 acres being done here. And then we will get things ready to load up and move north. This should be a short day, so I'm ready to get it over with. I can't function unless I just start out the day right. What is going on? That's weird. Oh, there we go. The trail road coming into this field is very powdery, and I'm not sure if it will hold up to the acres that we have left. Or not the acres, the loads that we have left to finish this field. It'll be interesting. I just hope they don't get stuck today. I feel like you nearly gotta be a kid climbing on a monkey bars. So, yesterday, we went to Mount Rushmore. Okay, I'm gonna go clean Jeff's cab.
County's kind of got that.
I'm gonna go clean Jeff's cab.
Yeah, right here where those high lines are. Strips.
I'm gonna go clean Jeff's cab, and I mean, just briefly, I'm not gonna do some major cleaning on it, but just enough to say I did it and get this day started and get this day over with. My computer hasn't loaded yet. I can't open my bins yet because my computer's not. It's trying. There we go. Op Center hasn't loaded. We're gonna make this go away. Okay, we're gonna finish getting this opened up and we will get back on our line after that. Golly. trying to watch Hayden's YouTube. Tessa's over here making me work. Oh, and now Hayden's calling me. Hello. Kind of up on the side of a hill. We have 40 acres left. So that windmill is kind of in the corner. So this is all we have left. 40 acres. One thing about a harvest crew, and it's not always this way because it kind of depends on personalities, you end up putting, especially the bigger your crew, the more different personalities you cram together. And sometimes it works and sometimes it just doesn't. And it's not saying that any person is, you know, I don't know. I'm not trying to talk smack about people, but they either mesh or they don't. And right now, with the crew that we have, you know, Jesse, Cody, Tessa, Hayden, me, Jeff, we all mesh. We mesh very well. And when you do mesh like that, you become family. And so, you know, people think all the time that Cody is my kid, and really because him and Hayden, their personalities are a lot alike, they could kind of pass for brothers even though they're not. But I mean, I'm kind of like a adopted mom for Cody. Cody's kind of like my kid, but so is Tessa too. So I don't know, mom's just kind of, we have our own kids and then we take kids under our wing too. So if you're a mom, you know what I'm talking about. We got big wings. When we get finished with this field, I'm sure we will move the combines and headers to the farmer's yard. Jeff probably doesn't know it yet. I'm sure he suspects, but I'm probably going to take the dogs and go back to the camper because there are things there that have to be done before we fold up and move as well. So I will do that. I'm not sure what he has planned for this evening, this afternoon, because it is only, no, it's just now 12. It's just now noon and we're nearly done. So they might be able to get a lot knocked out today. We are down to the last round. We will all go down and back, and that will be it for this field, and that will be it for this stop. So South Dakota, Nebraska will be done, and we will be getting things ready to head north. That is it. That is a wrap for South Dakota, Nebraska Wheat Harvest 2025.
truck branch because it'll stop you.
Okay, we're gonna go get headers taken off and we're going to attempt to get them out of here. The road is pretty powdery. There's a lot of powder on the road. I don't know if powdery is a word, but today it is. Anyways, we're gonna try to get the headers off and get them out of here, get the combines moved out, because we are done. Let's go unhook the header. Let's get the right gloves. OMG, where did they go? Tell me I lost one. Oh, look, I found it. It's down there. Wow. Okay, well, that is not really helping my dirt in my other glove situation. Too soon. Maybe not. Maybe I did. It's like it's hitting something. What? I didn't want to tear something up.
We drilled this out and put a bigger one in here. So you're not gonna break it.
Well, I didn't want to. Okay. Whatever. You didn't see the header get put on the header trailer because I went to go get the trailer and Jeff hopped in my combine and put it on the trailer. So anyway, it's done. You've seen that a couple of thousand times probably by now. Okay, I'm gonna go park the combine. I think we're gonna attempt to take header trailers out of here first. Tessa is gonna cart the last load out of here slowly on the grain cart because, well, you'll see. Did you kill it? Okay. There's sign language around here. Can you imagine loaded trucks going through this right here? Holy moly. Oh, I can't let off of it. Okay, my header is still on the trailer. I'm not out of this right now. Jeez.
What?
You're a pain in my butt. Tessa is loading the last load. The 13 truck is still in the field that is loaded, so we will have to get that out. But we do have the other tractor and grain cart over there, so if Cody gets stuck, we will have that to pull him out. The combines and the tractor and grain cart really shouldn't have an issue coming out, even though it is really soft, but that's not my concern. My concern is the 13. So, but we have plenty of equipment to pull him out if need be. Tessa's in front with the number 1 tractor and grain cart. Cody has taken the 13 that is loaded. And then we will also take the 3 combines, and that will be everything except Jeff's pickup. We will get all this back to the yard, and I believe Tessa and I will take the dogs back to the campers, and we will start getting campers ready to fold up. They will start cleaning stuff up, and we'll try to get, we're gonna put some tires on the 13 truck that will be here tomorrow, so that will happen tomorrow, and then we will get everything loaded up and ready to go. So tomorrow is Tuesday, so we will leave Wednesday with the first load. Typically we can go up there, unload, and come back. So Thursday we should take the second load if everything goes as planned, and we will be ready for North Dakota harvest. It's really powdery. We're gonna make that a word. I don't know if it's a real word or not. Powdery. Powdery. I don't know. You know, my mom, you guys don't see her. I don't know. I don't think she'll ever come visit this far because she just works all the time, but my mom makes up her own words. Like, she has her own little, I don't even know what goes on with her and her vocabulary sometimes. So, I mean, I guess if I start making up my own words, I get it honestly. Okay, Cody made it, so we're good. Okay guys, we have made it to the yard. Everything is out of the field except Jeff's pickup, but I figure I'll let Jeff and Jesse go fetch that. Tessa and I are going to take Hayden's pickup and go pick up Cody. We'll probably get Cody to go ahead and drop us off at the camper, and then he can bring Hayden's pickup back to join the guys doing whatever they're going to do. Or Hayden and Jeff can go get Jeff's pickup, I guess. They can take the Dodge. I don't know if the guys would want to go out to eat tonight, or if they want Tessa and I to cook something. I will also find that out. Just kind of a little celebration that we're done. I know everyone's excited. I know I'm excited. Okay guys, that is it for South Dakota and Nebraska. We are done. Thank you so much for sticking around. Later, Gator.